Hello team, this is in this video I'll be explaining about what is Yapster and how Yapster actually works. So if you want to know more about Yapster, you can come to our website yapster.ai. So these are basically verified apps that helps you get verified attention. So what do I mean by that? So right now, as you know, attention is money on crypto Twitter. Like whatever people are tweeting about is trying to chase yaps or trying to get the attention of users, which is actually powered whole thing by Kaito, which is an actually good concept. But there is no way for any user to identify whether the yaps that has been generated are actually verified or not, or the yap that has been given to me or my friend or you are actually verified, or isn't there any kind of manipulation done in giving you the apps, because it's centralized DB and centralized server, and there is also no way to verify whether the response that has been generated by LLMs is true. So hence we came up with this solution where your yaps or yap points are actually verified, and it's minted as NFTs as a metadata of ERC 7000. And the verification is powered by OPMLs, ORA's OPML. Like fraud proofs are there, and you can check out like how this protocol works and all. Right now, as you know, like Elisa agent takes a lot of space on like server, so hence we are doing it on localhost for now, but we will be deploying it on mainnet soon. So you can go to open app, and what you don't need to know anything actually. So I will just show you to give you a like simple flow of how it works. I will just clear my cache, uh, delete, and I will just do refresh. Yeah, I have to log in my X. I will authorize my app, or it just sometimes give you this error, and then you have logged in successfully. Now you just need to click on mint now, and what it will actually do is you just have to click on this yap calculator contract, and it will actually scrap your tweets for you, and it will basically assign some Twitter points for you or yap points for you, which are actually verifiable, and they can actually go to the contract and see whether the particular yap points are true or not. So for that, what we'll do is we will you go to the contract address, the actual contract address, and we will just check. So as you can see, the contract is verified. You can check the open source code that we have built. As you can see, calculate YAF. This is a function I called, and it is basically invoking the AIGC data or AI Oracle. And now if you go to transactions, as you can see, I have invoked this transaction 7 seconds ago. And as you can see, I have paid some fees for it. And if you go to proper like logs, you will see I have requested a callback. So after a certain time, you will be able to see what amount you have, like what kind of amounts of yaps you have. So if I want to give a small example, I will basically show you how it looks on like proper app. If you go to open app, this is how it will look like after a certain period of time. Like this is how your yaps look like. These are your BPS, and these are like who's doing good and who's doing bad. We just have scrapped this, and it's actually very cool, right? You can basically go and verify anyone's yap. So a more example would be if I go to this address, and if you see create Yapster, these are basically a lot of transactions that I did. So if I go to any of these contracts, suppose this, and if you go to internet transactions, and if you go to this transaction, these are the same transaction. Oh yeah. So I will just show you one invoke call. uh this transaction hash. Yeah, as you can see the Yapster token, right? This is the Yapster token. You can go to check Yapster AI token, and you can actually see the values over here. If you go over here and check the logs, see the actual AIGC data transfer and who got how many tokens, proof type, proof AIGC data. These are basically hexadecimal values. And yeah, it's pretty cool. I think like this is the future of verified AI agent based attention, and we are very happy to build this on mainnet. Thank you.